Bamboo, with its distinctive, natural aesthetic and eco-friendly properties, has long been a favored medium for artists and craftspeople seeking to create visually captivating and sustainable works of art. While large-scale bamboo sculptures and installations can be awe-inspiring, the charm and versatility of small-scale bamboo art should not be overlooked. One delightful avenue to explore is the creation of miniature bamboo figurines and statues. By carefully selecting and shaping thin bamboo segments, you can craft intricate and delicate depictions of animals, people, or abstract forms. The inherent strength and pliability of bamboo allows you to pose these miniatures in dynamic, lifelike positions, capturing a sense of movement and expression. These tiny treasures can be displayed individually as unique accent pieces or arranged in whimsical, tableau-style compositions. Another engaging bamboo art idea is the construction of small, functional objects. Bamboo's hollow, tubular structure lends itself well to the creation of simple, yet elegant vases, planters, and containers. By cutting bamboo sections to size, sealing the ends, and potentially decorating them with intricate carvings or natural finishes, you can craft vessels that beautifully showcase the material's natural beauty while serving a practical purpose. These versatile pieces can be used to hold flowers, succulents, or even small trinkets, adding a touch of organic elegance to any space. For the more adventurous artist, small bamboo sculptures present an opportunity to experiment with abstract forms and minimalist designs. By manipulating the shape, thickness, and orientation of bamboo segments, you can produce captivating sculptures that play with light, shadow, and negative space. These striking, modern pieces can range from simple geometric arrangements to more fluid, biomorphic shapes that evoke natural, organic motifs. The clean, unadorned aesthetic of such bamboo sculptures allows the material's inherent characteristics to shine, creating a harmonious balance between the artist's vision and the medium's innate qualities. Bamboo's strength and flexibility also make it an excellent choice for crafting small, functional art pieces, such as intricate bamboo baskets or woven trays. By learning traditional basket weaving techniques, you can transform thin bamboo strips into delicate, yet durable containers that serve as both storage solutions and works of art. These handcrafted pieces can be used to hold everything from office supplies to decorative trinkets, adding a touch of natural charm and tactile appeal to any space. For the eco-conscious artist, the creation of small, sustainable bamboo art can be particularly rewarding. By repurposing bamboo offcuts and remnants, you can minimize waste while producing unique, one-of-a-kind items. These small-scale bamboo projects, ranging from decorative coasters to elegant wind chimes, not only showcase your artistic abilities but also highlight the material's renewable and biodegradable properties, contributing to a more sustainable future. Regardless of the specific approach you choose, working with small-scale bamboo allows you to unleash your creativity, explore the material's versatility, and produce captivating works of art that can be enjoyed in intimate, personal settings. Whether you're drawn to the delicate, figurative forms, the minimalist, sculptural designs, or the functional, sustainable bamboo pieces, this medium offers endless opportunities for artistic expression and the creation of truly unique, handcrafted treasures. One fascinating aspect of working with small bamboo pieces is the opportunity to create intricate, decorative accessories. Bamboo's natural segmented structure lends itself beautifully to the creation of delicate, beaded jewelry. By carefully slicing thin bamboo sections and drilling holes through the nodes, you can string these segments together to make elegant necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. The warm, organic tones of the bamboo pair wonderfully with metallic findings or natural stones, resulting in unique, eco-friendly pieces that stand out from mass-produced jewelry. Moving beyond personal accessories, small bamboo art can also be incorporated into the creation of distinctive home decor items. Delicate bamboo wind chimes, for instance, can transform any outdoor space into a serene, meditative retreat. By suspending bamboo rods of varying lengths and thicknesses, you can produce soothing, melodic sounds that dance on the breeze. These wind chimes not only add auditory charm but can also serve as captivating sculptural elements, drawing the eye with their graceful, swaying movements. Another intriguing idea is the crafting of bamboo picture frames. By carefully selecting and shaping bamboo segments, you can construct stunning, natural-looking frames that highlight the material's inherent beauty. These frames can be left in their raw, unfinished state to showcase the bamboo's distinctive nodes and grain patterns, or they can be enhanced with stains, sealants, or minimal decorative elements to complement the artwork they display. These bespoke frames not only serve a functional purpose but also elevate the visual interest of any wall-mounted painting, photograph, or illustration. For those with a green thumb, small bamboo art can even find its way into the realm of gardening and terrariums. Miniature bamboo trellises or tutors can provide delicate, organic support structures for trailing vines, cascading succulents, or other small, potted plants. These delicate, yet sturdy frameworks add visual interest and texture to any indoor or outdoor planter, seamlessly blending the natural world with the artist's creative vision. Beyond these decorative applications, small bamboo art can also serve practical functions. Consider the creation of elegant, handcrafted bamboo utensils, such as spoons, chopsticks, or even small serving trays. The inherent strength and moisture-resistant properties of bamboo make it an excellent choice for these utilitarian items, which can then be elevated with intricate carvings, pyrography, or natural finishes. The versatility of small-scale bamboo art truly knows no bounds. From whimsical figurines to functional home accessories, the possibilities for creative expression and sustainable craftsmanship are endless. By embracing the unique qualities of this remarkable material, artists can produce truly captivating and one-of-a-kind pieces that bring a touch of natural beauty and handcrafted charm to any setting. One stunning application for small bamboo art in home decor is the creation of wall-mounted installations. By arranging an assortment of bamboo segments, rods, and shapes into captivating, abstract compositions, you can transform bare walls into living, sculptural displays. These bamboo wall art pieces can range from geometric arrangements that play with light and shadow to more organic, flowing designs that evoke a sense of movement and natural harmony. To add an extra layer of visual interest, consider incorporating contrasting materials or finishes into your bamboo wall art. For example, you could intersperse smooth, polished bamboo rods with sections featuring intricate, carved patterns. Alternatively, you could juxtapose the natural bamboo tones with metallic accents or pops of vibrant color to create a dynamic, eye-catching display. Small, freestanding bamboo sculptures also make for wonderful decorative accents throughout the home. Place a delicate, minimalist bamboo sculpture on a side table, bookshelf, or entryway console to instantly elevate the space with its organic, serene presence. These sculptural pieces can range from abstract forms to more representational shapes, such as stylized animals or botanical motifs, allowing you to tailor the decor to your personal aesthetic. For a touch of natural elegance in your living spaces, consider incorporating bamboo vases, planters, or terrariums into your decor. The warm, earthy tones of the bamboo provide the perfect backdrop for showcasing lush greenery, delicate flowers, or captivating air plant displays. These functional yet visually striking pieces can be arranged individually or clustered together to create dynamic, nature-inspired vignettes. Another clever way to incorporate small bamboo art into your home decor is through the creation of unique, handcrafted lighting fixtures. By strategically placing LED lights within carefully crafted bamboo frameworks, you can produce mesmerizing, sculptural lamps or pendant lights that cast a warm, diffused glow. These bamboo lighting elements not only serve a practical purpose but also elevate the ambience of any room with their captivating, artisanal charm. infuse their homes with a sense of organic elegance, sustainability, and handcrafted uniqueness. By thoughtfully incorporating these captivating pieces into your decor, you can create visually striking, one-of-a-kind environments that reflect your personal style and appreciation for the natural world. As we've explored today, the world of small bamboo art is truly brimming with endless possibilities for creative expression and sustainable craftsmanship. From delicate jewelry and captivating wall installations to functional home decor and lighting elements, this remarkable natural material allows artists to produce truly unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. By harnessing the inherent beauty, strength, and versatility of bamboo, you can elevate any space with the warm, organic allure of these handcrafted creations. Whether you're drawn to the serene, minimalist appeal of a bamboo sculpture or the whimsical charm of a bamboo wind chime, the options to incorporate small bamboo art into your life are truly limitless. Beyond just aesthetic appeal, these sustainable, eco-friendly pieces also offer a meaningful way to connect with the natural world and support artisanal craftsmanship. By investing in small bamboo art, you're not only enhancing your surroundings with captivating, one-of-a-kind decor, but you're also championing the preservation of traditional techniques and the responsible use of renewable resources. So, as you continue to explore and experiment with the boundless creative potential of small bamboo art, remember that every piece you bring into your life has the power to transform your spaces, stir your senses, and inspire you to embrace the beauty that can arise from the most humble of natural materials. The only limit is your own imagination, so let it soar and discover the endless wonders that small-scale bamboo art has to offer. Thanks for watching.